Hello everyone. In our pursuit of a healthier and more vibrant life, it is paramount to acknowledge the delicate balance between practices that support our overall well-being and those seemingly innocuous habits that inadvertently harm our vital organs. Today, we turn our attention to one of the body's unsung heroes, the kidney. These resilient, bean-shaped organs perform their duties quietly, filtering toxins from our bloodstream, regulating fluid levels, and managing blood pressure. In our quest to promote kidney wellness, let's delve even deeper into the realm of habits that might silently undermine these essential organs, while still maintaining the original 15 points. 1. Excessively sedentary lifestyle. Embracing a more active lifestyle is not just a recommendation for maintaining overall health but is also crucial for supporting your kidney function. Regular exercise keeps your kidneys in tip-top shape. 2. Neglecting your kidneys' needs. Often, our kidneys toil in silence, taking care of us without a word of complaint. It's time we acknowledge their tireless work and offer them the care they deserve. 3. Ignoring stress management. Chronic stress can wreak havoc on the kidneys, which are highly sensitive to the body's stress response. Incorporating stress reduction techniques into your daily routine is essential for both your mental and kidney health. 4. Inconsistent sleep patterns. The kidneys are hard at work even while you're asleep. Irregular sleep patterns can disrupt their function. Prioritize consistent and restorative sleep to promote your kidney health. 5. Overlooking hereditary factors. Genetics play a significant role in your risk of kidney disease. Understanding your family's medical history empowers you to take preventative measures. 6. Overconsumption of processed foods. Highly processed foods can hide harmful additives and preservatives that can strain your kidneys. Opt for a diet rich in fresh, whole foods to promote kidney health. 7. Ignoring early warning signs. Kidneys have a unique way of sending out distress signals that should not be overlooked. Stay vigilant for signs like changes in urine color, frequency, or persistent back pain, and promptly consult a healthcare professional. 8. Neglecting regular checkups. Routine medical checkups offer a valuable opportunity for early detection and intervention when it comes to kidney issues. These appointments should never be postponed or skipped. 9. Heavy metal exposure. Environmental factors, such as exposure to heavy metals, can pose a considerable threat to your kidneys. Staying informed about your environment and taking necessary precautions is a proactive step in safeguarding your kidney health. 10. Ignoring medication side effects. Medications, even those prescribed by professionals, can sometimes harm kidney function. Being aware of potential side effects and promptly seeking medical advice when necessary is vital. 11. Disregarding herbal supplements. While herbal supplements are often seen as a natural alternative, some can have adverse effects on kidney function. It is imperative to consult a healthcare provider before introducing any new supplements into your regimen. 12. Neglecting dental health. Surprisingly, dental health and kidney health are connected. Poor oral hygiene can lead to kidney infections. Regular dental care is crucial not just for a dazzling smile but also for overall well-being. 13. Excessive meat consumption. A diet high in red meat can strain your kidneys due to its elevated protein content. Balancing your diet with a variety of protein sources reduces the burden on these vital organs. 14. Excessive over-the-counter drug use. Self-medicating with over-the-counter drugs for minor ailments without professional guidance can have an adverse impact on kidney function. Always consult with a healthcare provider for appropriate advice. 15. Overexposure to environmental toxins. Mindful awareness of environmental toxins, such as pollution, pesticides, and harmful chemicals, can significantly reduce the risk of kidney damage. Taking precautions to limit exposure is a responsible choice. In conclusion, the well-being of our kidneys is a non-negotiable component of a healthy and thriving life. By incorporating proactive lifestyle changes, including maintaining proper hydration, adhering to regular medical checkups, and consulting healthcare professionals when needed, you can ensure your kidneys continue to serve as faithful guardians of your well-being. This commitment to kidney health not only benefits your body but also enriches your overall quality of life. Your body will express its gratitude through improved vitality and well-being. Thank you for watching the video. We invite you subscribing our channel to keep informed about medical tips and issues. For us is very important at your support.